É foto? Parabéns, parabéns, parabéns. 15 anos, uhul. Parabéns pra mim, toda suja.
Yellow diamonds in the light, and we're standing side by side as the shadow crosses mine. What it takes to come alive. It's the way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I gotta let it go. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless.
Eu já falei pro Mr. Catra e vou repetir gostoso. Gostoso. Ai, negão, tô que tô pegando fogo.
Tá pegando fogo! Tá pegando fogo!
Ai, negão, tô que tô pegando fogo.
Pegando fogo! Tá pegando fogo!
Ai, negão, tô que tô pegando fogo.
Aí, Valesca, eu vou te dar uma mão. Venha, apaga teu fogo na mangueira, negão. Vou apagar teu fogo, vou te passar o rodo. Loura, tu é gostosa com esse jeito apetitoso.
I'm feeling sexy and free, like glitter's raining on me. You're like a shot of pure gold. I think I'm about to explode. I can taste the tension like a cloud of smoke in the air. Now I'm breathing like I'm running 'cause you're taking me there. Don't you know? You spin me out of control. We can do this all night. Damn, this love is skin tight. Baby, come on.
Bem sério, eu não posso rir.
Sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah. Oh, sometimes I get a good feeling, yeah. I get a feeling that I never had before. No, I get a good feeling, yeah.
Yes, I can. Now better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab in the bucket, can't have me. I'll be the president one day. January 1st. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one thinking what gossip.com. Now I got a word for your tongue. How many Rolling Stones you want?
Amor, tá difícil de controlar. Há mais de uma semana que eu tento me segurar. Eu sei que você é casado. Como é que eu vou te explicar essa vontade louca, muito louca? Eu posso falar? Quero te dar, quero te dar, quero te dar, quero te dar, quero te dar.
Arroba digital. Treme até o cabelo no seu.
Quero te dar. Meu nome é Valesca, que o apelido é Quero Dar.
Aí, quer copiar? Pode copiar, mas copia direito.
Que vontade louca, difícil de controlar. Que vontade louca, difícil de controlar.
DJ Andy.
Y'all know what time it is. We gon' set it off tonight. Just so. Set the club on fire. Just so. Enrique.
Beijo. Eu como assim. Eu comendo, que coisa mais mentira.
Me not working hard. Yeah, right, picture that with a Kodak. Or better yet, go to Times Square, take a picture of me with a Kodak. Took my life from negative to positive, I just want y'all to know that. And tonight, let's enjoy life. Pitbull, Naya, Neo, that's right.
I want all of you tonight. Give me everything tonight. For all we know, we might not get tomorrow. Let's do it tonight. Let's do it tonight. Grab somebody sexy, tell them hey. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything tonight. Give me everything.
Take advantage of the night, cause tomorrow I'm off to do battle, perform for a princess. But tonight, I can make you my queen and make love to you endless. It's insane the way the name growing.
Peixinho gordinho fofinho. Beijo pro meu sócio.
I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. Hey. You made me insecure. Told me I wasn't good enough. But who are you to judge? When you're a diamond in the rough, I'm sure you got some things you'd like to change about yourself. But when it comes to me, I wouldn't wanna be anybody else. I'm no beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. You got every right to a beautiful life. Come with me, stay the night. Just say the words, but boy, it don't feel right. What do you expect me to say? You know it's just too little too late. You take my hand and you say you've changed, but boy, you know you're begging, don't fool me. Because to you, it's just a game. You know it's just too little too late. So let me on down. This time has made me strong. I'm starting to move on. I'm gonna say this now. Your chance has come and gone, and you know it's just a little too late, a little too wrong, and I can't wait for you to know all the right things to say. You know it's just a little too late to say you dream of my face, but you don't like me. You're just like the J. To be real, it doesn't matter anyway. You know it's just a little too late. Yeah, it's just too little too late. I was young and in love. I gave you everything, but it wasn't enough. And now you wanna communicate.
I,